Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the view bob amount in System Shock 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options. Then we're going to go to the game tab and find the view bob amount slider. So you have the slider down here that you can adjust the view bob amount with. And basically what view bob is when you're running or when you're walking in the game, your camera kind of like sways from side to side. And if you want to adjust that option, you just use this slider, with 0 being view bob disabled and 100 being the highest amount of view bob that you can get. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.